Hi everyone, so I'm back to share with you a little digital kit that I've put together. I am going to put this on my coffee shop only because for some reason I was having major problems with my website tonight. Literally I could have screamed a few times, so don't know if the server's down. It seems fine when I go in to look at my website, but working on my website, pain in the backside, that's all I can say. So I'm about tearing my hair out, so I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to put this on my coffee shop to save me from having a nervous breakdown. Anyway, so it's a little kit, it's 10 pages, it's called Rose Lane, it's a traveller's notebook kit. You get 6 traveller's notebook pages, 2 background pages and 2 pages with tags, journal card things. Right, so I'm going to just show you this quickly. So I've been kind of working on this on and off when I've got a little bit of time, because I've now got a Mac, in an Apple Mac in my craft area, and I can work excuse me, can work in peace on that, because it's really hard to do it in the house with so many distractions and dogs and cats fighting and noise in general. Right, I'm going to stop whinging now. Right, so this is one page. She's my favourite. So this is one page, and then there's this. So it's kind of got a collage look, feel to it, and then there's that, and then there's this. I'm going to start coughing now. And there's that one, and then there's these 2 pretty girls. So obviously you would cut that and fold it in half, so I'm going to do something with that in a week, hopefully. I've got 2 journals that I started about 2 weeks ago that I don't normally do that, but I've put them to one side, and I need to get onto them as well. Another page there, and this is 3 kind of journal cards, if you like. So you got them, there's a little border in between them, you can barely see it now. So you got these 3 journal cards there. Then you got 3 blank, well, they're not blank, but they haven't got lots on them, so if you wanted to decorate them, because I've got lots of freebies on my coffee shop as well that will work really well with this kit, and when I get round to playing with it. And then this is a background paper, and then that is a background paper. It's just kind of subtle, and that one isn't, but that one is. So yeah, so there's lots of freebies that would go with this really well, and that's probably what I will use with this. So that's just going to get put to one side whilst I work on the one that I'm working on now. There we go. So 10 sheets, and like I said, on my coffee shop. I will put a link below if you're interested. And thank you for watching. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.